Today I'd like to introduce how to automatically updating your dashboard. Last 4 units, I have introduced the how to create the PyDomo, Domo key and secret for using PyDomo, and also how to updating the data from local to Domo with PyDomo. Also, we have introduced how to design the dashboard in the Domo, and also how to operate the dataset by the Domo DataFusion, Magic ETL, and Domo MySQL. Today, actually, if you have Domo for example, daily updating, so it's difficult for you to manually update your dashboard, like operating your data set and to to update your Domo dashboard. So it's takes time and also cost consume. So today I will tell you how to uh, use the Python schedule function and know-how function to help you how to update your dashboard at fixed time. This is schedule function. Schedule function lets you run Python function or any callable periodically at the predetermined intervals using a simple human-friendly syntax. So it's very simple. It's very easy to install this library, pip install schedule. For example, this is the library use this course. For example, I want to update it, the good luck. You can update your use the schedule for every 10 minutes to update your dashboard. For example, every hour to update the good luck function. For example, I can update the every day at the 0 o'clock to update good luck function. Of course, I can also set uh, every Tuesday at 18 o'clock to update the for example student placement function. And so you just using this uh, condition by condition and schedule long planning and time sleep one to set to make your uh, code running at fixed time. Uh, but how to run your code in the back end? So this is you can use the no harbor command. It's short for no hang up. It's command in Linux system that keep processing running even after the existing cell or terminal. So in the server, you just use this no harbor command to run your Python code in the backend. So even you exist your cell and terminal, the code will still run in the server. No harbor. This is command using command is like just command like Python 5 and ARG some parameters. This one is to start process in background used. Zero there's some ridiculous your arrows into some file. For example, stand input 0, 1 is stand output, 2 is stand errors. No hub redirects the command output to the, for example, this file, not hub out file. If you want to redirect the output to a different file, use the stand so redirection. For example, no hub my command and to some file, no my command out, and then use such kind of command. You can set up your Python file in the running. You can set your Python code can be run in the backend. For example, this is the code we want to use for today's automatic updating our dashboard at fixed site. For example, this is the two, this is the key, and this is Domo connection, and this is the file. For example, the file. Of course, you can read your file in the at a fixed time. For example, you can update your file for James order and profit. And also this dataset ID we have created before, and this is using this is to uh, upload upload your new data to the Domo. And this is the schedule function. For example, I want to update my dashboard every 2 minutes or every day at 10 o'clock. This is a while condition that run the schedule. This command we want to use for today. For example, I want to use no hub Python, the Python file, just the left parts. And this command, I want to save the log file to this file using this command. So let's do how to do it. Let's begin to show you how to do it. Okay, this is a file we have used before. For example, James order, and the tail file is until the July. Secondly, for example, I want to append some new files. For example, July said the control group test group, and appending new to those data. Now we have the latest data July said. Also the profit same, and we add two rows. Okay, then we save our files. Okay. Okay, profit. Okay. See. Okay. Image order. Okay. Now the file we have saved. Now we have created the updating dashboard automation Python file. So this is the variant and SQL and two. Okay, this is the create ID we have done before. This is a complete Domo dashboard updating sentence. And for example, we can set for the every 1 minute or every day at the time 10 o'clock every day. But now today we just using every 1 minute to test it. Okay, this is the by condition. Okay, let we using the know-how function. Know-how Python updating my command. Right. So, okay, let's enter. Now this process is running in the backend. Let's say about the use this one uh, to run the Python file using no hub. Okay, let's click it. Now it's running in the backend. Let's say the log file. Oh, there is errors. Profit CSV then not exist, no such file property. Okay, profit it's wrong. Okay. Let's save first. Yes, now it's okay. Let's run the no-hub function. For example, no-hub Python updating dashboard automation point py5 and redirect system out print out to this log file. Okay, now the code is running in the backend. The log. Okay, let's wait for 1 minute, about 1 minute. Okay, let's say about the set. Okay, refresh the set. Now it's updated. The rows is updating from the 64 rows to the 66 rows. Now it's the 9 o'clock night, and also for example the DataFusion we have done before is also uh, automatically updated at the same time. Also the Domo SQL or magical ETL. So the data is, for example, let's say the data. Okay, the July set data, the new data is updated at fixed time.